back, this is Mr. Cisneros. In this video we're going to continue with our speaker box build. From the previous video, the one that we were able to complete was the front panel. Let's take a look at what else we have to do. So we completed our front panel, now we just need to create our top, bottom, back, right side, and left side. If we notice, we can see that the top and bottom have the exact same dimensions. We're going to go ahead and save those two as the same file. That's going to allow us to save some time. When we go to make an assembly, we'll still be able to use these separately to be the top and the bottom, so there's no problem there. The other thing, the right side, left side, those are the exact same dimensions, 6 by 6, so we can do the same thing. We'll call that one right side, left side. So let's start with top and bottom. So I'm going to go to my AWS running Inventor, and I'm going to click on New. After I click on New, I can go and make sure I'm in the English folder, and then I can go to Standard Inch IPT, and then click Create. So the dimension, just so you can see one more time, is going to be 14 by 6. So really all we have to do is create a rectangle. So once this loads up, we're going to go to Start 2D Sketch. We're going to click on our XY plane. We're going to go to the Rectangle tool. Always start on the origin. Click and release. Move your mouse, and then we're going to type in those dimensions. It's going to be 14. I'm going to tap the Tab key on my keyboard to go to the other dimension. Type in 6, hit Enter. To zoom out, we can click on the navigation button right here. Under Zoom, Zoom All, and we'll zoom out. You can see 14 by 6. We're done with our sketch. Now it's time to extrude. So we can go to Finish Sketch. Again, we can click on this to zoom out. And then we're going to click on Extrude. The MDF that we're using is 1/2 inch thick, so we can go and type in, instead of 1, we can type in 0.5 and click OK. Now we're done with our top and bottom. We can go ahead and save this. So very first time that we're saving this part, we have to do a File, Save As. We can see that we're already located in our speaker box, which is good. That's where we want to save this one as well. We're going to give this a name. We're going to call it initials underscore top underscore bottom. And we're going to click on Save. Now, to save a little bit of extra time, we're not going to click File New and create a brand new document. We can actually just use this one. When we're done, we just have to make sure that we do a File Save As so that we can rename it and we're not overwriting our previous work of the initial underscore top underscore bottom part. So here, let's do this. We're going to go to our extrusion. We can see our history of our model here. We can see extrusion 1. I'm going to go inside of that. I'm going to hit this plus sign to do so, and we can see that sketch 1 exists inside of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click. I'm going to double click actually this picture next to sketch 1. That's going to let me go into the sketch, and we can see that it's set to 14 by 6. Let's see what the back looks like. The back is actually 13 by 6, so that's an easy change. All we have to do is modify and change this 14. So I can double click that 14, I can change it to 13 and hit Enter. Now I can go ahead and finish my sketch, and I have my back piece completed. Here's the important part. We have to make sure that we don't overwrite this document, this file. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Save As, and then right here we're just going to change this name. We're going to change the name to be back. So initials underscore back, and we're going to hit Save. Now we can do the exact same thing to make our right side, left side. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our extrusion 1, hit the plus sign. We're going to go into that sketch again, double click, and now we need to change this width one more time. We're going to change from 13 to 6. Click on the green check mark or hit enter. And now we have our right side, left side. We can go ahead and finish sketch. We're going to go to File, Save As. And we're going to give this a name. We'll call it RS for right side underscore LS for left side. Go ahead and click on Save. And it looks like we now have all of our parts made. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.